Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a WORX battery charger and noticing different light colors or blinking patterns, it can be confusing to understand what each signal actually means. These indicator lights are designed to communicate the charging status, battery condition, and even potential problems, but without knowing their meaning, it's easy to misinterpret what's happening. Sometimes a blinking light may look like an error when it's actually part of the normal charging process, while other times it could be warning you about temperature or battery issues. Understanding these signals helps you charge your battery safely and avoid unnecessary troubleshooting. In this video, I'll explain what each WORX charger light means and how to respond to it correctly. Try these. Step 1. Identify a solid red light as the battery actively charging. Step 2. Recognize a solid green light as fully charged and ready to use. Step 3. Notice blinking red light as charging in progress or initializing. Step 4. Understand flashing patterns may indicate temperature issues. Step 5. Check for abnormal blinking that signals a battery fault. Step 6. Remove the battery once fully charged and ready.